Hey friends, this is the Schumacher battery charger. Just wanted to give you a quick closer look. We really like this guy and it's really helpful. We've got a Sprinter van here and the Sprinter van battery is located way down here on the driver's side of the van. So it's a big hassle to get in and out. So having this nice little portable guy in this nice plastic kind of covering case with the handle for easy transportation just makes things really, really nice. Now, when you first plug things in, obviously you need to have a power source. We're running it out into the garage. And then you have the cables coming out with a decent extension that go into our battery terminals. And when you first plug it in, you're going to get a voltage reading. Sorry for the flickering. This is just on the camera here. It's actually steady here in real life. So you're going to get a voltage reading. So you have multiple options to select the type of battery that you're going to use. I'm staying with standard. And then you also have a rate selection. And again, for this specific battery, we're just going with the top default one. Now, when you hit the start button, it'll immediately go into the charging option. If the battery needs to be charged, it will stay on this light right here, and then it will go green once it's done. As you can see, we get a percentage symbol. It's 95% charged, so we'll let that go all the way up to 100. And again, that's indicated with this little green light over here in the percentage. Now this will switch back and forth as you've been seeing from voltage to the percentage of battery. Again, when it switches down here, that's when you know the voltage that it's reading. After this is done charging, it'll then switch the lights down to here. And this is basically the trickle charge or maintenance version of charging right there. Again, after a few seconds, the lights will go off. That's just to save a little bit of battery life. And then if you want to see the reading again, you can just click that button once more and it'll flick back on. So that's a quick overview of the Schumacher battery charger. Again, huge thumbs up for this little guy. We really, really like having it around.